Discipline is praised as the solution to almost everything. But discipline is fragile. It works in short bursts, then collapses under load. In this video, I'll explain why discipline fails at scale, and how operators replace willpower with structure. Discipline looks impressive from the outside. Early mornings, long hours, relentless grind. But visibility does not equal durability. Most discipline systems eventually burn out. Every decision consumes energy. Every act of restraint costs attention. As complexity increases, discipline becomes a bottleneck. Highly disciplined people often push harder inside broken systems. They mistake effort for progress. They exhaust themselves, reinforcing inefficiency. Operators reduce reliance on decision-making. They design defaults that pull behavior in the right direction. Good systems eliminate the need to be disciplined. Most behavior is environmental, not personal. Change the inputs and the outputs change automatically. Operators engineer context before expecting performance. Systems requiring constant self-control create resistance. Progress slows as friction accumulates. Eventually, even strong performers disengage. Operators assume motivation will drop. They plan for fatigue, distraction, and overload. Systems succeed because they expect human limits. Habits compress decisions into routines. Once embedded, behavior runs without effort. Operators obsess over habit formation, not intensity. Discipline fluctuates. Systems stabilize. Scale requires consistency that willpower cannot provide. You feel exhausted maintaining momentum. Breaks derail progress. Consistency requires constant effort. These signal a system that hasn't been designed yet. Operators reduce cognitive load. They automate decisions. They design workflows that work even when motivation is low. Discipline is useful to build systems. It should never be required to run them. Once structure is in place, discipline becomes optional. Discipline is admirable, but it doesn't scale. Operators don't rely on willpower. They build systems that move forward quietly, consistently, and without force.